Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to reduce photo size on Android, and all we have to do, you're going to head on over to a web browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome and I'm going to search for image sizer. Then from here, you're going to tap on this website. Then you're going to tap on select an image, going to tap on camera. Then I'm going to take a photo. From there, I'm going to tap on OK. And from there, as you can see, it is sizing my image. I can decide to either resize it, and I can choose by dimension or as percentage, and I can choose my target file size, which can be optional, and I can say the image as either original, JPG, PNG, or web. From there, once I'm okay with the sizing of my image, I'm just going to tap on a size, and from there I'm going to tap on a size. From there, as you can see, it has already been resized, so I'm going to tap on download, and you can see it downloading my file. Once I tap on open, this is how my size or the picture that I took looks like. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.